Hey guys, okay. Hi guys, I'm here with another video.
The other one?
Do you hear the talking Mr.
No,
phone?
the motor's packed up.
I'm just saying.
No, not really.
I got a new
It's still at the
fidget spinner.
workshop.
It's crappy.
It's still at the mechanic's workshop.
It's pretty good though.
About, it's still getting a diagnostic report done on it.
On the camera it looks so weird. Wait up.
Maybe you should keep the insurance on that other one for like a week, 1 week. Yeah. Yeah.
That looks so cool on the camera.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's like the first thing I wanted to show you.
Just leave everything as.
The second thing, it's my Nineveh's birthday tomorrow.
Yeah.
So this was $20. It's actually pretty cheap for how good it is. You guys know my phone number. If you don't, I'll quickly show it on the screen.
Okay. Great.
This is the one I'm wearing. Gonna get Nineveh's one out, and you guys can see what I got her.
No, I think it's probably.
I bought this with my own money.
Okay. Okay, that's in place for now. Brilliant.
And it's another Pronamu, $20. It's pretty cheap for how good it is.
Thanks so much. Okay, see ya.
Looks pretty brand new too. So I hope she enjoys her Christmas present. Well, she doesn't. That's gonna be a bit sad for me. But she probably will. Hey, Pop Rob. Hey, Pop Rob.
Hey? Yeah, that's right.
And what did you get, Nineveh?
He got her some nice clothes and a good car.
He got her 2 t-shirts. 2 t-shirts. How much was that? How much were they?
I'm not telling you. No, I got her some trousers and a t-shirt and a card and something else.
Okay, this is more valuable anyway. So yeah, I hope she likes that. And also guys, I'm just going to step out of the car because I want to show you something. If maybe you've noticed, because this car maybe looks a bit flasher. Do you know why? Remember when that car broke down? The motor was stuffed. So we had to get we had to get a new car, a new one. And do you want to see this baby? It was only $3 and she's so good. $3. She is so beautiful. Look in here, that's my fidget spinner. She's beautiful, eh, Pop Rob?
Yeah, it's a cool vehicle.
I know, I love it. We're at the mechanic just to see who we're waiting for a call from the old person who wanted the other car right now, and Jesus, we've been here for hours. So while we were waiting, we went to Paper Plus. And I bought that fidget spinner. It's actually really good. It's so smooth. But, so yeah. That's been my day. Okay. And I spent like $60 today. Oh man, I've got like $10 left. Yeah. Yeah. This is what happens when I have savings, guys. Don't be like me.